how I changed this to this. Hey everyone, I just made a gaming PC for myself and I made some mistakes and I will show you how you guys can avoid it in the future. Hope you guys will watch it till the end. Let's go. I got a 32 gig RAM, 2 TB storage, AIO cooler, 850 watt PSU, a B650 motherboard, अनि यो Ryzen 7 7800 X3D matches पैसा खायो यार. And for GPU I got a 5070 Ti ठ्याप्प लाएर म्याचेस बिग्रो भने के गर्नु यार, पैसा फर्काउँदैन होला. ल सुरु गरौँ केटा. Motherboard is ready. I feel like it's okay. Here, I cannot put my PCI cable to the PCI section because of my AIO and maybe of my case. So now I need to remove my AIO. त्यसको chicken.
The next day.
And finally guys, the next morning I complete my PC, but there is a problem. I cannot control my case fans. I need to connect my case cable fans to my motherboard, but they are too short, just like your exit. And now I need to buy a pair of 3-pin extension cable and a 4-pin extension cable for my case, so I need to wait in the meantime. Yeah, these two are the cables. I need to buy an extension, and I broke my 3-pin socket, so I need to put the cable in another place. Sorry guys, I finished my PC build and it looks like this. Now all fans are working and now I can change the color of them as well. Like this. It's working good. I did my editing in the PC and it's working fine. I'll play some horror games in future or many other games, so subscribe to the channel, give a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.